Hello and welcome to another video on Field Complete. In this video, we'll cover how to set up your company details. So you want to navigate to Settings on the bottom left here, and then Company Details. This is basically how your customers will perceive you here. So the first thing you probably want to do is update your logo. So you click on the little image icon, and let me pull in a logo here, and it uploads to our imaging server. And whenever you do upload any of the details on the screen, please make sure to click the Save button for these settings to be saved. You do also, for the logo in particular, need to refresh the page for the logo to propagate, because it sends it to the imaging server and it compresses it to make sure it fits all of the invoices, all of the estimates. This is where the logo will go on all the payment requests. And as you can see, the new logo is updated now. Here you also can fill in your company display name and your company legal name. The difference is the legal name goes on all the documents like invoices, estimates, etc. And then the company display name is what your customers see in communication, like email, SMS, etc. Field Complete ID is a unique set of characters that our support can identify you as. So they might ask you that sometimes if we have more than one companies with the same company name. So you'd know where to navigate and find us. And if you forget what any of these fields mean, we do have these tooltips you can click on and remind yourself what each field is. The next section is the contact information. So the phone number, administrative email, and project communication email. So the difference between the two emails is the administrative email is most likely going to be your company owner. This is who Field Complete will contact if we have any issues with your account. The default project communication email, that's the email that will actually go out to a lot of the customers, and they can reach out to your company through that email. Usually it's the company owner or one of the managers here. Next is the address of your company, and the default dispatching zip code. The default dispatching zip code is the zip code you want your map on site dispatching centered around. So whenever you don't have any jobs in that list, it will center around this zip code. Lastly is two advanced settings. It's for invoice and payment requests. The invoice numbers are incremented automatically in Field Complete, but you can set an invoice prefix and suffix if you want to configure it. Like if you want to do like ABCM and then the invoice number, you can do that here. Again, this is mostly for accounting software. Sometimes they need these invoices suffix or prefix for it to sync properly. You may also leave them blank, and like I said, again, if you changed any of the settings on the screen, please make sure to click Save for the settings to apply. That'll be all for this screen. If you have any more questions around it, feel free to reach out to our support via phone, email, or chat, and we'd be happy to help you. Thank you.